Now that you know how to buy cryptocurrencies using your local currency, let me show you how you can instantly sell cryptocurrency on the platform. Here again, we are using USDT. All I'm going to do right now is to click on sell. I'm going to filter out the list of buyers that are currently available. So I want to sort by price, payment method. I'm using bank transfer. Location is Nigeria. Then currency. This individual bought USDT from me, so I can decide to sell back to him. So I click on sell, and then this is what we have. I'm trying to sell 49 USDT, right? So you can see the price. The price for each USDT is 494. Remember, when I bought my USDT, I bought it for 490. Now I'm selling for 494. This is how you can make money buying and selling cryptocurrencies from the spread. So right now I'm going to click on publish offer. Then I will agree on terms. I'm good with the terms. I'll be waiting for my trade partner to also agree to the terms. Now that the buyer has agreed to pay me via bank transfer, all I'm going to do right now is to copy this address. Remember, right now I'm the one selling, so I'm giving out my USDT for Nigerian Naira. So I'm going to copy the address and then send the USDT to this address. It is an escrow wallet. As soon as I credit the escrow wallet, I'm going to mark this place as funded, right? Now that I have funded the wallet, I'm only going to click on mark as funded. So this will take a couple of seconds to process. So right now, I'm waiting for the buyer to send the money into my account, right? So as soon as he sends the money to my account, it will say he has paid, and then I can release the escrow for him. Now that the buyer has paid, I'm going to click on release escrow. As soon as I release escrow, it will also receive his payment. So a total of 48.99 USDT will be sent to his wallet. So that's what I'm going to do now. Release escrow. Now a code will be sent to my email. All I'm going to do is to copy the code and paste it. So now I have received the code. I'm going to paste it and release escrow. So now the trade is complete. I have gotten my Nigerian Naira. The buyer has also gotten his USDT. It is simple and straightforward. You can describe your trading experience with the seller or the buyer by giving a feedback. Thank you for submitting a feedback. Right now, the trade is completed, so I don't have any active trade, right? I hope you know how to instantly buy and sell on cryptolocally.com. Take a break and we'll see you in the next video.